An SUV equivalent of the ongoing Corolla sedan is the 2025 Corolla Cross. The Corolla Cross serves a similar need even if it sits higher and has additional cargo room and all-wheel drive. For those looking for a little crossover SUV, this is a value-oriented choice. Though we examined separately on Edmunds, the gas-powered Corolla Cross offers a single engine, a 2.0-liter four-cylinder good for 169 horsepower. From a driving standpoint, Toyota's Corolla Cross is just passable. Our all-wheel drive test vehicle covered 9.6 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Although not totally surprising for a car in its class, that is rather slow. Passing at highway speeds calls for some forethought. Otherwise, at city speeds the Corolla Cross is smooth and simple to live with. Sometimes, given their smaller scale, tiny SUVs provide snappy handling, but not the Corolla Cross. Everything about its driving and brakes is geared toward comfort. That might be all you need, but we wanted just a bit extra oomph. The daily grind can find appropriate comfort in the Corolla Cross, though occasionally it can seem a little too soft and floating if the road has continuous undulations. Most road bumps are absorbed without problem. Although the front chairs have good cushioning, for taller drivers their thigh support is somewhat lacking. The rear seatbacks are positioned in a pleasing degree of recline. At highway speeds, there is obviously road noise entering the cabin. Furthermore, quite noisy is the full-blast temperature control fan. On the plus side, though, the Corolla Cross features rear air vents, not a given in this class, and the air conditioning performs brilliantly on hot days. Though it's among the smallest in the class, especially compared to much smaller vehicles like the Hyundai Kona, the Corolla Cross seems roomy in most passenger places with the startling exception of rear legroom. The cabin's internal design is straightforward and sensible, and getting in and out of it is otherwise rather simple. One can easily operate the 8-inch infotainment touchscreen. Starting you with the Corolla Cross's basic form. Steel wheels 17 inches in diameter. LED lights for headlights. Folding back seat in 60-40 ratio. 8-inch touchscreen entertainment system. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone connectivity, both with Wi-Fi access. 6-speaker audio device. Every Corolla Cross likewise features forward collision warning with automatic braking, warns you of an approaching collision and uses the brakes under specific conditions. Warns you of a lane departure when a turn signal isn't activated and can automatically steer to preserve lane position. Lane keeping system helps to keep the car centered in its lane by making minor steering corrections. Intersection collision avoidance warns you of an approaching collision during a left turn and uses the brakes in some conditions. Adaptive cruise control preserves a driver set distance between the Corolla Cross and the car in front.